The Lord has amazing love for you. Dili ka dapat paghunahuna sa imong sarili nga dili ka worth it or ay pa'y mamatay na lang ko. Somehow ba, we have this tendency to think very poorly of ourselves. We have a tendency to hate ourselves. We have a tendency bang maguna-una nga failure gyud ta just because napalpak ta sa kabutang. Una-una nang ginato failure gyud ta sa tibok natong kinabuhi. And that's a negative thinking that is not in line with the Word of God. So every time na yung mga negative thought nga moabot sa atong una-una, we have to rebuke it using the Word of God. Just like Jesus rebuked Satan using the Word of God. Kung moabot ang una-una sa imong thought nga, wala na gyud ko'y pambayad ani, di na gyud ko makaahon sa akong utang. You have to remember that God has promised to provide for all of our needs according to His riches and glory. You have to remember that the Lord is your provider. That the Lord has promised in Matthew 6 to provide for our daily needs. Kailangan nato na i-declare sa atong kinabuhi. And we need to fight against those thoughts na nag-abot sa atong hunahuna.